I want to show you this running clown. Okay, you can see it. This is very interesting and cool flares. Check this one. Okay, very interesting. Wow. This is a website's money video copilot. You can download this optical flares plugin from here, and here you can see it has a lot of tutorials, blogs and videos. You can watch them and learn something new about optical flares and how to use these optical flares inside After Effects. It has a lot of bundles. You can buy them according to your need. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I will create a new composition. Let's go to composition and select the composition. I will set it default, or you can select the preset from here. Social media landscape HD 1920 1080 30 fps. It is the best size for YouTube videos, and click OK. And now I have composition. So next I will create a layer which is solid layer. I will call it flares and keep the setting default, or you can click make comp size. Hit OK. And next select this layer, go to effects and select the optical flares. Okay, also now I have optical flares. So I'll try to teach you everything about optical flares, how to use it, how to customize it. I will not create any kind of project, just I will teach you how many its presets and how to customize that. Okay, it's that simple. And here is the point. By selecting this point, you can move its position like so. Okay, you can also create the animation. For example, click on it, position XY, click on it, position XY, and press U key and move it forward. And then first click on this option, flare setup, or click on it. And now it is visible. Then move it left side. Okay, and now it will automatically create another keyframe. Let's move, and now you have animation. Okay, you can further customize this animation by selecting all of these keyframes. Go to graph editor, or again select, press F9, or you can move it and make this graph like so. And let's go back and let's play. Now you can see start fast and then slow. By selecting this optical flare, the next option is here. This is a direction. You can change its direction like so. Okay, and here are a lot of functions. You can use them to create a beautiful flares animation, flares scenes. And here is the color option. You can select the colors, any kind of, which do you like. Okay, and you can control its brightness. I will add a keyframe and I will move it at the end over here and increase the value, rotation offset. Okay, so let's play again. Now you can see, first of all, press U and reveal all of these keyframes and press F9. Now let's play. Okay, so in this way you can create cool animation. So after that I will show you something more over here. Let's go to inside option, and now we have this window. First of all, I will show you, and here are a lot of functions to customize these flares. First, you can hide them. For example, you can hide its glint option from here like so. It is very small, therefore it is not visible. And again click hide, hide, hide. And in this way you can hide everything, every multi-iris like so, or spike ball. Next is the option solo. You can make it solo, or you can make it this option solo, and this one or this one. Okay, and you can remove any part if you don't want, like so. Okay, and here I will show you some more cool feature. You can create your custom flares. For example, you can add this glow effect, and you can add this multi iris. Okay, you can add one more iris and some streak. Okay, now you have custom flares, right? You can move it anywhere like so, and you can change its color. Okay, which do you like? And here is the option, glow option. You can increase or decrease. This is a basic custom option. You can more add shimmer option, glint options, or spike option, and you can change its everything over here. I will remove all of this over here. Okay, let's go to custom option, and here is nothing because I have nothing to create. I have just started. Let's go to preset browser. You can see this is a lens flare folder. Inside this lens flare folder, I have a lot of folders, and here you can see custom presets. It has 60 flares, and next one light, it has 20, and so on. So first of all, I will introduce this custom presets option. Let's go inside, and here you can see it has ready-made flares. Just click and add them. Okay, you can add multiple flares at the same time. So how to add that? Okay, and here you can see, so if I click any of these, the first one will be disappear. How you can add multiple flares at the same time? So it's very simple. For example, first I will add this one. I want to add also both of these. So by right click, add to current. So now you have both of these. Then again I will add this one. Right click, add, right click, add. So in this way you can add multiple flares at the same times. I want this stretch multi iris. Right click and add to current. I also want to add this VE Light Studio. Right click, add to current. Okay, so in this way you can add multiple flares in your scene. Okay, so let's go back. Flare, the next folder is light, and here you can see you have already ready-made lights. You can add them. Okay, you can easily customize them. Let's come back, and next one is motion graphics, and here are some motion graphics lights. This is very cool feature, and here you can see it is totally customizable. You can customize these flares from here. Okay, let's come back, and again this is natural flares, and it has a lot of natural flares. Okay, you can create some natural flares like so. And here I want to show you some more flares. And next is presets, and here are a lot of presets. I want to show you this running clown. Okay, and you can see it. This is very interesting and cool flares. Check this one. Okay, very interesting. Wow. Okay, let's come back, and next one is pro presets, and I have 100 pro presets. Okay, this is a pro presets. If anyone want to get these pro presets, so please comments below, I will give you. By selecting your desired flares, let's go back. Okay, hit OK. First you need to select this optical flares. Okay, then select this point. Now you can move these flares easily at anywhere. Okay, and let's change its color like so. You can also reset from here. And here I want to show you some more plugins. Okay, the first one is Flow, and here you can see I have already made one video on Flow, how to download it and how to install and how to use this Flow extension inside After Effects. So it's very easy. With this help you can create multiple smooth animation inside After Effects. So next extension is Mobar, and here you can see, and it has 130 tools. And by clicking on this option you can see some more options. Okay, by using this option you can create your project, you can create some more animation, you can create fast animation with this help. I have already made videos on it. Please check out that, it will be helpful for you. Let's go to window and go to extension, and here I will show you one more extension which is motion tools. Okay, by clicking on it, and here you can see this is the motion tool. I have already made one video on it, which is very useful extension inside After Effects. I hope you like this video. If you like this one, and please also check out this video. I hope this will be helpful for you. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.